gives me great pleasure in talking about Dr. Sanjay Mehta, who is my colleague and a close friend of me. As a person, he is a very soft-spoken, disciplined, with an army background, and as a doctor, he is a very ethical practitioner and also compassionate to his patients, very, very communicative to the patients and to the colleagues. I wish him all the best in his future endeavors and a good health in his future.
It's honor and my privilege to speak about Dr. Sanjay Mitra sir. He is gentle in talk and gives time to others to express their ideas and doubts. And we are nurses always encourage so much when sir appreciate us in front of the patients and when he instruct the patient to follow the nurse's orders. Finally, we are really glad to work with you sir for many more years. We wish and we pray that you will have blessed life as you are blessing to many others. All the best sir.
2002 నుండి నేను పేషెంట్ను సంజయ్ మిత్ర కింద. ఆయన మా పేషెంట్ను మేము బాగా చూసుకుంటే నన్ను బాగా చూసుకుంటున్నాడు. 2012 వరకు మామూలుగా ఆయన దగ్గర నేను తీసుకుంటా మంచి ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఇస్తున్నాడు. ఆపరేషన్ కిడ్నీ ట్రాన్స్ప్లాంట్ చేసినాడు. అప్పుడు ఆయన దగ్గర కూడా నేను పేషెంట్గా ఉండి మంచిగా ఎవరు వచ్చినా పేషెంట్ బాగా చూసుకుంటాడు. బాగా తొందరగా బాగా ఏం భయపడవద్దు, ఏం చేయవద్దు, ఏం కాదు అని చెప్తాను ఉంటాడు. మంచిగా చూసుకుంటున్నాడు. కాబట్టి మేము ఎక్కడి నుండి దూరం నుండి వచ్చినా కూడా మంచి మన సంజయ్ మిత్ర గారు బాగా నాకు ఒక డాక్టర్గా అందరికీ నేను పేషెంట్లు కూడా పంపిస్తాను. ఆయన పేషెంట్ కూడా బాగా చూసుకొని అందరూ డైరెక్ట్గా అయినారు. చాలా మంది మంచి డాక్టర్ అని చెప్తున్నారు ప్రజలు కూడా. నేను మళ్ళీ వాళ్ళ ఇన్క్రీడ్ చేసిన కూడా డాక్టర్ కూడా మంచి డాక్టర్ అయ్యా, నువ్వు మంచి సంప్రదించావు, మంచిగా చూస్తున్నాడు, మనకు అదే కావాల్సిందని చెప్తున్నాను. కాబట్టి నాకు ఆరోగ్యం కూడా బాగున్నది. ఆయన ఇప్పుడు కూడా పేషెంట్ నన్ను చూసుకుంటాడు బాగానే. బాగా వచ్చిన ఎమ్మడ చూసుకోవడం చేయడం ఆయన బాగా చేస్తున్నాడు. కాబట్టి నాకు ఆయన కృతజ్ఞతలు, పాదాభివందనం ఆయనకు.
మా డాడీ 2002 నుంచి 2013 వరకు డాక్టర్ సంజయ్ మిత్ర దగ్గర చూపించుకుంటున్నాడు. 2013లో కిడ్నీ ట్రాన్స్ప్లాంటేషన్ జరిగింది. అందుకు ఈరోజు మా డాడీ చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నాడు. దానికి కారణం డాక్టర్ సంజయ్ మిత్ర గారు. థ్యాంక్స్ డాక్టర్ సంజయ్ మిత్ర.
Dr. Sanjay Mehta has been a part of our uronephro transplant team since I joined Apollo Hospital about 12 years ago. Station goes a long way. Managed a lot of patients as a team with Dr. Sanjay Mehta being the nephrologist and me being the transplant surgeon. If there are two words to describe Dr. Sanjay Mehta's attitude and temperament, it would be first compassion, to commitment. Compassion towards the patient. I've seen him very closely with regards to his patient care, and he's very compassionate, very understanding, and very down to the earth with regards to patient care. His commitment to patient care and to the subject of nephrology is unparalleled. He's so committed that he would not leave any stone unturned in getting the right treatment for the patient. So he's very polite, he's very communicative with his patients, and he's a very big asset to the nephrology department. I wish him all the success.
Association with Dr. Sanjay Mehta since 2002. He's a good teacher and ethical practitioner, very supportive for staff and patients. Intellectual, easy, approachable, straightforward doctor. We, the nephrology team, feels very, very happy to have such a dedicated doctor in our Apollo family. Dr. Sanjay Mehta sir, I wish you all the best.
Tell regarding sir in one line, he's a very simple and honest man, a moral support at the hour of need. He's very compassionate and dedicated towards his patients. I'm really glad to know that sir is being felicitated. I wish him all the best for his future. Thank you.
I am very proud to talk about Dr. Sanjay Mehta. I have been working past 7 years with Dr. Sanjay Mehta. He is very polite and dedicated to his, and he is very knowledgeable and passionate to his work and patients. He is very cordial. He is very strict to following procedures and following the books, and he is very affectionate to nursing staff. We wish good luck and great success in your life.
मेरा ट्रांसप्लांट नडियाद में हुआ है, गुजरात, और मेरी तबीयत ख़राब होने से मैं डॉक्टर संजय मिश्रा से ट्रीटमेंट लिया हूँ. अभी मेरा तबीयत एकदम बिल्कुल ठीक चल रही है. जैसे ही डॉक्टर साहब को मिलता हूँ मैं, तो मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है. बहुत अच्छे डॉक्टर साहब मिले हैं मेरे को.
Dr. Sanjay sir is also my postgraduate guide for the past 2.5 years. Due to this opportunity, I have been able to work with Sir very closely in patient care as well as general nephrology. Sir has been a constant source of positive energy for me. Sir has been always very inspiring and also extremely supportive. Qualities which are visible or seen in Sir's personal life, in his family life, in his professional life and his friends. On the lighter side of life, Sir has a great sense of humor, which is always a treat. I consider it a great blessing to be here with Sir, working with him, and he being a part of my professional life. I wish Sir the very best health and great courage to continue living life the way he does. Thank you.
I have known Dr. Sanjay Maitra in course of doing a few transplants with him. The best thing about Dr. Maitra is the way he blends ethical practice, sound clinical and scientific knowledge, and patient care with a lot of sensitivity. My best wishes to him for a very, very healthy and a happy life ahead.
Dr. Sanjay Maitra is very dedicated person, and he will see the patient very correctly. He never neglect the even smallest complaint of patient. And one of the good thing is whichever work is done by any person, and if it is appreciable, he will give good rewards. And I would like to thank him and wish him his future life and health.
I would like to say a medicine can cure the disease, but doctor's patience and his inspirational words will give strength to the patient, which the quality which I found in Sanjay Maitra sir. Dear sir, wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you so much.
I have been associated with Dr. Sanjay Maitra since last 6 years. Me and Dr. Ravindra Babu used to call him in the middle of the night. We used to call him, we used to ask him to come and see the patient. He was very approachable. He used to come whenever we call, and he was very supportive in managing that patient. Thank you for your support. He's an excellent teacher, wonderful human being, and very good doctor. Thank you, sir. All the best.
Me and my wife think Sanjay sir is the best nephrology doctors and a great human being in this world. We met him 10 years ago for IgA nephropathy treatment. The journey and the association, unbelievable, amazing. We are very happy and big thanks to Sanjay sir and Apollo for all this. We pray God to give Sanjay sir and his family a very happy and long life.
Right from the time the nephrology department at Apollo Hospital encountered Dr. Sanjay Maitra way back in 2002, we realized that with his clinical acumen, his judgment, his clinical knowledge, and his bedside skills, that we realized that it would translate into excellent patient care. He is a wonderful colleague, he's got a great sense of humor, and he's a wonderful person. He's helped us so much when we've encountered any sticky nephrological issues. I feel extremely comfortable with him, so much so that whenever I'm not available, I make sure that he takes care of my patients, because I can trust him and I know that he's going to do the best possible things and give them the best possible care that he can. He's also my 3 AM nephrologist, and this is literally, I remember one incident, this is about 2 or 3 years ago, when I was unavailable for a day. I had to go out of station, and at around midnight or 1 o'clock, I got a call from the hospital saying that one of my patients had developed ventricular tachycardia and a near cardiac arrest, and he needed to be shifted to the ICU immediately. He was shifted there, and the family obviously had a lot of questions. At that time, Dr. Ravindra Babu called me and said, Ravi, is it possible for you to come and speak to the family? I said, I'm not here, but Sanjay is there. So Ravindra Babu said, why don't you call him and ask him if he can come over? So with a lot of hesitation, it was after all 2 o'clock in the morning, with a lot of hesitation, I called him up and said, Sanjay, could you do me a favor? Could you go and have a look at this patient? And without a murmur, without grumbling, he said, yes, Ravi. He went ahead, he went, talked to the patient's family, counseled them and pacified them, and everything had settled down after that. I will really remember this incident, and it shows you what kind of a person he is. Right now, so here's wishing Dr. Sanjay Maitra all the best, and may all his dreams be fulfilled.
I know Dr. Sanjay Maitra very well. Sir is a thorough gentleman and he is very sympathetic, patient, and very considerate to all his poor patients. And I know all his patients, where they talk high about him. I want him to continue the same good work what he is doing. I wish him all the best, happiness and success in all the future endeavors.
My father is a very caring and devoted man. Even after a very hard day's work, he's always willing to teach me, to clear my doubts, to help me out in any way he can. He's very nice. I love him for what he is. He always provided me anything I needed, ever. I would give the world up for him. Thank you.
My father is a very caring man and a very caring father. He has always been there for me whenever I've been low. And when I went to KMC Manipal, I realized that my friends spoke to their father on the phone as if they were attending a conference call. That's when I realized the amount of freedom my father gave me. I speak to him like a friend. I can speak freely to him, good or bad, everything. And whatever the situation, he's always found a solution for me. He has been a shock absorber to our family, I'd say. And that's what makes me confident that he's a very, very good doctor as well. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Lipika Maitra. I'm an art historian. I met him about 24 and a half years ago when he was just about to appear for his MD final exams. What struck me right in our first meeting was his sense of composure. He was absolutely unruffled. He's extremely unruffled and very calm and composed. And the other thing that I find very striking about my husband is his utter lack of airs. He's extremely humble. He's one of the most humble persons I've ever seen. He takes great pride in his work, but he never throws any kind of tantrums or any kind of airs, whoever he's dealing with. He's a very, very compassionate human being, whether it is a small animal, small child, or anything happening around him. He's one soul which is forever troubled if somebody else is in pain. So I feel that as a doctor, that really sets him apart because of this quality of compassion. So far we have had a very beautiful, blessed life, and I feel that half the credit, a little more than half the credit goes to Sanjay for being the person he is. And I hope and pray that he continues to be like this, and he is an asset to whichever organization, to the hospital where he works. I really feel that I am very, very lucky to have him as my husband.